Welcome back to Crypto Lodge, and I got one thing to show quick, and that's the halving. I made this image this morning, and here's the historical halvings with the Bitcoin price. So I also broke down the averages on my Twitter, which is worth taking a look at. Let's take a quick peek here. Wrong account. Oh well. It gives you the numbers that it went up, but so does the chart. We're going to take a look at Solana and using Bonk right here to get new snipes and pairs. Refresh this. No open positions. Okay. Wallet balance. What you want to do first is hit menu, home, and wallet, and you're going to want to create a wallet. It will walk you through it. I've already got mine all set up. Now, to find new pairs, you go to dexscreener.com, click on new pairs, click on Solana, click on age twice. 59 seconds ago. So here's what we're gonna do. Instead of just aping in, let's open these in a new tab. Just as a control. So here's the latest ones. Horizontal line. Horizontal line, where the price is. Horizontal line, where the price is. I know a lot of you are thinking you're missing some gains right now, but just watch. Horizontal line, where it is. Let's just do one more here. It's not worth it. It's already dunked. Not worth it. Dunked. 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 Alright. That's got 7K locked liquidity. You always want to look for locked. That's important. But what you'll see is very important when it comes to the hype around this. I make some money doing this. It's very risky. You should not use much. I use $5. Now, let's just take a look at these. These are the new freshies, and we'll see what's going on. And if we like them, we'll go over to Bonk. That's dead, it seems. Crashed out. 2K locked liquidity. Closed the wrong one. But they look the same. Riz, we could have jumped in on. It's probably still gonna go up. Well, not probably. You just copy the token address, paste it in there, hit. I have mine set to $0 to $5 and $10. So I got in right there. My trade probably didn't even show up yet. That's one thing to know, is that, yeah, there's mine, that these charts are behind. The actual price is not what it says it is. See, this has gone down. Is this promising? 7K. 3 rockets. I will throw $5 in there. And you can scroll through these by going previous and next. Let's move. I always move my green line a little ahead. Riz is, it looks like I'm going to lose $5. Joe, already rug pulled. See, here's what I'm talking about. Zero liquidity, and it was locked. See, they can lock liquidity, but still mint themselves 1,000,000 tokens. So you gotta watch out. And use any kind of token sniffer. And I like this kind of mover. There's 7.5K. It's got an actual thing. So I'm gonna jump in on this. I'm gonna wait for a dip. No, I'm just gonna get in with a whole soul. Not a whole soul. I mean $10 of soul. And I will put this a little high. I'll put this up here because that's kind of where I need to go to make profit. Alright, let's move on to good luck. Nothing really, it's just down 1.7K. It's logarithmic, there's nothing here. 6.2K. I don't know. And yeah, that's nothing. So we have 3 tokens. This one I should have waited for that dip, but it wasn't much of one. Looks like a nice trend. I threw a whole $10 in that one, 5 in this one. That's up nice. Let's see what's happening. Percent wise, sometimes it's not much, but in this case it is quite a bit. 58% already. Gonna let that travel if it will. This did go up. I wasn't watching. You should only do one at a time. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. That was a 26% gain, and it might come shooting back up. Copium had a nice big fat sale. See what it does. And then see it's not what it's cracked up to be is what the moral of this video is. But I love Solana, developing on Solana right now. I should have grabbed like a whole one right down there. Remember I said I should have waited for the dip on this one? Well, I'm just making a video. Our multi-chain cryptocurrency listing platform. Oh, and a doxed dev, and it's sitting at 7.3. But even these rug, they slow rug, things of that nature. Anyways, when you want to sell, it's nice. It gives you the percentage. Looks like I never bought this. Swap failed. Well, let me grab it. Okay. Now, well, that's cheaper. I'm already in profit. Cool. It tells you your profit after about a minute once it figures it out. So -3 on Bixie. Riz -69%, and Copium -71%. So I'm just going to see if they bounce back. No point in selling $2. And Bixie looks like it could travel up. Let's look at the percentage. 7.3K is quite small, but not small enough to really get big gains on $5. So what I'll do is just show you how to sell. Sell 100%. That was Bixie. Let me go previous. That's Riz. Sell 100%. Subscribe to my page, and yeah, very bullish on Solana, Ethereum, these Bitcoin layer 2s. Looks like I should get back into this if it drops real nice. We'll see. Yeah, Got a lot of things going on and on and on and on. GME, I've been holding this one, and it's strong. The community's holding it up. It is. If it doesn't go higher than up here, then it peaked already, but we'll see. I like Solana. I like where the market's at. I'm gonna pull that video up one more, that chart up one more time. So the first one did 9,463%. Ethereum wasn't around. The second one did 3,000%. Ethereum was around, and it did like 30,000%. The third one, 700%. So obviously diminishing returns. So we can expect 200% out of Bitcoin, maybe, and maybe 1,000, maybe a 10x out of Ethereum, maybe 10x out of Solana, 20x out of Solana, possibly. PLS, bullish on it. Hex, if it could do well. It could do well if Richard Hart is cleared of any securities, you know. So we'll wait and see for that. Subscribe to the channel. Keep you guys updated. Peace out.